So you guys know my buddy Chad, right? We've been on a lot of adventures together. And last month, he came to me with the idea of taking a 48-hour trip to the Great Sand Dunes in Colorado. The idea was to do it low budget, bring our own food, and sleep in our car. This is the story of the greatest 48-hour trip I have taken.
Aside from my soul,
So we have finally made it to Great Sand Dunes National Park in Colorado. It has been a long drive today, but there's nothing better than finally seeing the dunes and at night sitting at the parking lot here. Right now I am about to make some ramen that I brought with me for Chad and I. We're going to make some ramen tonight out here in the parking lot, and then we're going to spend the night in our car. So it's supposed to get down to like 26 degrees tonight, so it's going to get pretty chilly, but we will make it. We're going to snuggle together and find a way to stay warm enough tonight. So it's been a heck of a trip so far. Been awesome. Excited for tomorrow to ride the sand dunes, and let's get started on making that ramen.
I think it's all angels just walk by.
Ready for some ramen?
Yeah, really. So hungry.
Whew. Does it get 26 tonight? Is that what you said, 26?
I believe so, yeah.
That's pretty chilly. It's not close to that yet, but
It's really cold right
it's
now.
already cold.
Little dinner in the belly will help everything be better.
Oh yeah. And I'm glad that it's warm and not like cold dinner. It's like
Yeah.
warm to the
Not
belly.
another granola bar.
Yeah.
We survived the night in our car sleeping. Top down, Kansas homes. Raging.
Every time you go down, you need to apply wax. That's what's going to make it work. Use the edge, press down firmly, and just go bolt to bolt. We had a huge snowstorm a couple days ago. You guys can look at the dunes, see where it's kind of darker at? That means it's still wet. You guys want to go where it's lighter because that means it's completely dried out. Gotcha. And that's what you want to do because that's what it's made for, is the dry sand. Flip it over into the sand, buff it out. It's going to get real slick. When you guys feel it slick, you're ready to go.
Okay.
Please bring back that extra wax and I'll see you by 3 o'clock tonight. Have fun.
Thanks.
Hello. We're just wanting to go in for a day.
Ready, dude?
Let's do it!
Let's go!
To the table.
Stay strong, stay strong.
To the table, to the table. Ain't easy, I can tell.
Gotta stay strong, stay strong.
So we're sitting up here on one of the peaks of one of these sand dunes. It was a very steep climb. So now we're headed towards those specks of people. I don't know if you can see them, but we're trying to get to the very top. We think this is the biggest one over here. So still got a ways to go, but I think we're at least a third in.
Yeah.
I don't know for sure, but we'll see. It's going to be pretty steep. Got a test run a little bit earlier on the boards, finding out that you have to use lots of wax to get him to go pretty fast. But
Stay on your back heel.
yeah, your back heel for sure. And I think we can figure it out. The only hard part is just climbing back up again to get to the top of each mountain, sand dune mountain we climb. But it's pretty neat because like the mountains over here, we got the mountains here, and then over here is just sand dunes. And I said this before when I was here a couple months ago, it just doesn't make any sense that you're out in Colorado, mountains surrounding you, and then all of a sudden there's these random dunes of sand that are massive, and only in the whole state. So I'm pretty sure the whole state. It's a national park anyway, but yeah, it's just pretty awesome sitting out here relaxing and enjoying God's beauty. Probably covered with sand, I can't even tell.
Yeah, you gotta watch out for the ice. The ice is crazy out here. It has snowed recently or something, and parts of the dunes are frozen to where it's straight rocks if you fall on them, pretty much. I
Yeah.
found that out the hard way.
Yep. Hopefully there won't be too much when we get to the top and we can have a straight ride
Hopefully.
down for a while. But we'll see. It honestly doesn't feel that cold. I'm barefoot, don't have any, only have one layer on right now, and it's like 40s. This morning woke up, it was like high 20s, so it's pretty cold, but all this climbing,
Keeps you warm.
Keeps you
If
warm
the sun's
anyway.
out and the sand's reflecting it all.
yeah, for sure. Let's send it. Ah! Ah! Let's go! So I just went down the big one, and I haven't learned how to turn yet, and so I was going like 30 miles an hour so fast that I face planted, and it hurt really bad. But thankfully I'm fine, and there's no concussion or anything, but kind of scarfed up my cheek here. It's bleeding a little bit, my lips. So, but yeah, I don't need to practice a little more. It's hard. It's hard to learn how to steer, but man, you can go fast down this sucker. Nice. We had so much fun learning how to sandboard on this trip. It took a while though, and there was a lot of failures along the way, but we so much enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe to see more content like this. I look forward to the next year as I upload and continue to post my hikes, trips, and explorations. I'll see you guys later.